All are welcome to All the LK show. Once again, I don't know why I know the free read comments. Let's go to our main topic. Show.
ODLK show. Talk it here, anonymous. Call it.
So my people, the reason why I really come out this evening now to come tell us say this life now front now they move to this life where we dey, so we know everybody knows say na front they go. Any seed where any man, anything where any man sow, any seed where be say you sow, it they germinate in one way or the other. It they germinate. This girl story was so touching that I don't even know how to put it in a way that I was just kind of let it be a form of way of advice to all of us. You understand? This is a person that has been in Europe for more than 15 years. She has been in Europe, and because the way where she take pay her madam, na really help. You understand? Now really something where be say I not feel explain. It is touching. Person where be say if he madam not dey house, if madam husband self, or the boyfriend then, or the kialele. According to this sister, he said the way where they take treat am. Now you go buy food stuff for us. I mark a buy. They're not the mark and join. They're not the right hand join. They're not they do anything. See, in can't taking. He no said the Oiboma that time when they follow. The Oiboma not give am belly. Any condom not boss for body. When he can't taking, he no say na he madam boyfriend na boyfriend then they never married then. Na he madam boyfriend na he give am belly. Say contest sister. He be like saying yeah. And so the panabita and the boy. When the woman come up for I can call and say, brother, now you get this pregnancy. You say, uga gwa pin pin pin. Now so they can't go abort her belly. It was a long story. I cannot analyze it from beginning unless she come out herself say she want to analyze them. But if she say no, I respect people privacy. The story was so pathetic. You go cry. It's so touching. But let me summarize it. Before they come gather, the woman gather, all of them come carry the girl, go abort the belly, and the woman friend, then they gather beat her. He said they even use, they charge a cable. That cable where they take that long wire, where they take the charge phone, they use and wire and beat her. What be no man pay, you want born, you never pay. Hey, this one, that one. She can't manage, she can't pay, finish. Afterwards, she can't come out, relocate, go Spain. As a then come dey Spain, come to say no fit stay the same country with him madam again, no fit dey there and all of that. Now so the year goes by, things not come they go well, things not they go well. Lo and below, 2 weeks ago, she can't go back to the country where they say after all she don't get Spanish paper, she don't get passport, me come back. Now she for fly enter Europe. Now yes, she for enter Europe. Now yes, she for carry her leg down. She just come back here since Spain get it the day. May he come back, so he can't they like go around the area where he can't they go also can can't jam with Boma. So it can't easy for her to quickly change her paper, because if the Boma marry her, they go quick change the paper. It can't just everything just come easy for her. She just they go. So one day now she said may she start school, may she they go school, may she for go work. As they go school, now there the story won't start. As she go to school now, they just sit down. That is, they don't need on the school for their work. According to the story of her, the school for their work once in a month or twice in a month, or still go all the workers where they under the company, they go still come sit down together, discuss how the work will be, the hand glow where there's people where they do house to house work, people where they do where they work under BB company and understand what they talk. She says so once in a while they go call all of them come, make they come gather, sit down, discuss the chemical where they use, whether they okay, the hand gloves and everything. He says so that fair 2 days she just still carry about whoa, you still reach there. Whoa. As they all sit down, everybody pull, which is last day, everybody pull mask for face. He just still there. He said, but the woman they look am. The woman they look am. He they look am. He can't just boom. When they can't reach the time where they want to remove the mask, when they talk to each other, he said, "Na so he just jama in madam, where he carry and come Europe." How many years ago where he maltreat am? Where he be said the belle where he bought for his boyfriend then. Belle where he bought for his boyfriend then. Na cause I never fit get pikin because the Moroccan place where they carry and go, I be the Arabo people place where they carry and go. When he take go, something happen. He whether not that one, but doctor just they tell and say they taper with the womb, they taper with the womb. Now only that abortion he don't do. He never used do another abortion for his life. He say as he just see her like this. Now so he just shock. He just they look am. He say now he can't greet. Now he even greet am. If I explain the maltreating, as in the maltreating, una go cry. How this girl go take do everything. Even before she pay finish, they even pursue her. Immediately her money they complete like this. Whether she want die or she want save, when you who yada, she can't find her way any. He said now so she just jam her for the place very big. They said the table of the sit down. And so he just remove my he call the look, and I can say sister. I said now so he just waka. Now he follow and say, you don't know me now me. Why am I not balik beer? Why am I not balik beer? He said I can say no. He no want give you to police. And he come the ask and say, everything say everything day. Everything. He come they say, brother now. He day. In the married, they don't born how many children, be 4 children, be 5 children. He say, cause he can't say you call all your life. Because he never still born now because of that abortion when I abort on that time. Where you can't stay, now can say he has not still far for you. Say now so they your rest. Later, the woman come out, go they talk to the maid teacher. He can they talk say if this woman spoil the name for you. If he spoil the name for you. Then the next time when they go the gathering again, he say no come. He can't stay there. Then he can ask the teacher say he need the telephone number. Since there be Africa, he need the telephone number. Now so the teacher can't give her the madam telephone number. Now she can't call and say, they do meet it today, oh. You not just come. A number when I degbe dale, we life you well, like degbe dale. He can say, are they happy saying that man that time now you marry? I'm so happy. But he want tell you now, so now born how many children. You might be because so now hide go do abortion for them. So make una come, make we talk how you take solve. Because he still pay you billions. How much euro you cut on more than 40,000? Now you just they run from her. He said the woman say, if anything happen, he go tell police. He go do this one. He say, you were supposed to hide yourself. You the same may you tell police. He said since then, where in they work, they can't cut him be get how many hours? He said they can't cut him down. So the teacher, when he can't go meet the teacher can't tell and say the girl can't explain for her, say they get big family problem for Nigeria, say you in a liar. He said the madam don't they spoil here though. He said because she need relocate back from Spain. She need relocate back. She not the two hear the language like that. She they they know, they hear like that. But the madam her sister they speak kind, they chop her. In short, if they use the language drink water, nehi. He say the nehi kaba. If the nehi kaba, if he say he go stand with her like this, if they talk, now small, if they chop her. He say so now the teacher can call and say, so una get problem for una family, una this, una that. He said different thing. Come they tell and say no being get the document, in don't fair thief like this, in don't fair thief like that. Make them be careful. The house waiting for the work. See. He said don't they spoil am so that they go sack am for that that company. They go sack am so that he go another place. So he call me for advice. Me I advise am what to do. Otherwise, if they lost time, he don't almost tell you Igbo for house. But he don't know as he want to tell you. But he only tell you Igbo say the Nigeria woman that I met in so place is giving me headache. but he no know as he want to tell you but say na the madam wey him pay for and the madam no want do madam till make hide herself. So he say she need advice. Make I tell her what to do. Tell me waka to be here. Waka boy police no because they say na first to report because she still hear am from me when I dey do my live video say if something dey happen na first to report to the police na win case. He say he don't hear that word from me. Say na first to report. If you can't go later, though you're looking like blah blah blah. Now who fair go lay case? Now be something. And the way the woman they do and if they talk saying go make sure say this place not comfortable for her. And she don't know where to start from because now almost the same community they now that they use the same commune, the same waiting at the column for Dutch, the same Arbeit house abi and not be Arbeit na working house commune sha una go know wetin be commune where they give person paper and everything the same police radio region the same police region and everything say na that they use so he don't know what to do now. Good day Gilbert. She don't know what to do. She dey confused. She no want maybe say this woman go pull sansan for a garri for your Iboma house or make police come go write am letter or make she just kukuma quit the work, quit everything, focus. But now the Iboma house, he no go fit tell Iboma he pack leave that community or may leave that region. May leave that. Now no we where they speak language. Now the language you take they pronounce something. Yeah. I'm married. So she said she don't know what to do. And that kind of matter, me not know. I not feel advice human being say, boy police, no ya report where somebody is threatening you. Maybe say, you not even they sure whether this woman they threatening you. Now your work, now they do you like this, like that. They don't they cut your hours down. So e get this matter today, my people. And this woman now, the girl says she want call her, make they talk things over. It might be because he don't abort picking for the man. And the woman know, say na him husband, where they come marry, call husband now. Now he give her belly that time. He only try to. He know. He said because he still tell him, madam, say, sister, brasa gyomwe kome. Brasa gyomwe kome, sister. Say, konse giane ashawo. Why do snatch a boyfriend in yes? And now that man now the woman still marry for house. Now that man now the woman still born many children for. Now that man they still dey together. And now that thing they chop the girl most. I say now like that you come out, you come back. He say why they can't jam again? Why? Why they can't jam again? And this woman wants spoil matter for you. And this woman is a bit speak language. This woman, he know everything. So my people, this is a ODLK show. Talk it here and let us advise each other on what to do. Because tomorrow, if we might hear and say, one Nigeria girl when madam carry come Europe 15 years ago. Now he can't say me want carry madam go give police. So, hey, react bonjour after 15 years, you are so wicked. Una not go really know what thing happen. Because if I say me, I can't they analyze the suffer where she narrate to me when she did there. In short, in Rio Jani, how the benite they talk. Oje huoro, all the name of saying na my madam. Sometimes our Nigeria women, where they carry guests come Europe, una too they maltreat them. Thank God to our erima baba no rekete. Thank God for say he put that thing for his mind, not doya mima fan. The way that they maltreat many girls, they not just they treat the girls as if now they are blood, now they are bones. See now, whatever you saw, you reap. Assume me said that time they are to address the issue well. Assume me said that time they are two day where you bring me come Europe now. Good thing you do for me. Give me time. Allow me near copy. Suffer. I'll pay unto you. Then you can't they maltreat the person. If your husband want drink kind na the girl where you carry come. If your husband want buy metro card na the girl go buy am. If you want call your mama for Nigeria na the girl go buy you card where they scratch. If you want buy meat take cook na the girl go dey. All those money they not they calculate and join now. All those money agmo buy. Now the girl go they pay the house rent where you even dey. If the house na 300, now the girl go they pay. Some way be say the girl they stay with you. Now the one way get many about maybe 3, 4. Now they rent apartment for the girl say make una dey that side wawaro door. So now see I say this life, everything wey we dey do with the meet am for front. So this one not be the one wey una go just keep quiet. Make una advise our sister the phone dey open on what to do about this kind of thing, or una go write am there. But after my show, make una not use the koko disturb me. Just only record and come give me for WhatsApp. Then I go dey forward and give am. Because if you can't call me after the show, wey be say anybody not dey hear am, you no go come too bally. You dey maybe I dey cook that time, you dey use the cut they disturb me, you come dey advise me, I call you, may you help me tell. No, just play the audio, come give me, I forward and go give am. Or you call in right now, dey hot, you still advise the girl what to do, because me no go happy make I see say this kind girl he carry him madam wey he be say so une no matter wetin. Anybody carry you come Europe, he say make you come pay 40, 50, although the money over big. But in one way or the other, say ya uni materi ya no mu mare. Wetin go for be our fate today? You have a lobono kere, not the two blame lock or insult them. We were not having any other opportunity. You can't expect me madam go carry down go to Pikin enter Europe me say me come pay. He also he get many children. He get many children. All these top people, they get many children. You can't expect me madam go carry their children come Europe say me come pay. No. So now these people, most of the time, our own family member, they go dey Europe. They not go even remember say they get sister for inside the family or brother. They'll go they use their money carry the sister of their boyfriend enter. They'll go they use their money carry the sister of their husband, the brothers of their husband. They said the husband but they said the you can never blame all this madam. Where be said they not be your brother, they not be your sister, they not be your relative. They go you wake up one day say I want bring girl, and you go come happen to be the lucky one where they see for street where they go come carry you come here finish. You pay them the money where the court give you because na wait you agree to. Now you go pay. Now all this one done. Where they come they talk say me you pay 30 or 40. If you reach it, they come they cut journal. And all those money where you pay them, if you look at today, now only 4 flat, 4 flat, duplex, 4 flat. Area was so one of Cote d'Ivoire. If you reach my house for Ghana, if you reach my house for Cotonou, if you reach my house for Abuja, if you reach my house for Cameroon, now it's also has the built so no investment. And house now something where we say many people they think can say house na investment. No, imagine you use 70,000 euro, you use and build house. 70,000 where one get pay you use and build house. You can't put rent for the house. Rent they pay you 10,000 per flat. Maybe now 4 flat, which is 40,000. 40,000 in a month. Now how much? You not even reach 100 euro. Abi 40,000 naira, 10,000 in a month. You not reach 100 euro. Before that house where you build that 4 flat, before it go give you that 70,000, that house, the step where they don't destroy, it go iga. All the potato where you put, everything don't they shake before they go feel balance. That has go feel raise that 70,000. That thing don't they shake. That one me not they call her investment. She must not quit her job if the woman want trouble. She trouble. See trouble. If the woman want trouble, she go see trouble. Yes, of course. I know they feel with comment and I know they want bed down. Like this now, I go just jump the comment. I go just read down. So now like that, I beg make una call in or write in as this person do now. Please, I don't know. This thing why I just come or talk. So if she really take her time, say she want call in, she go explain from beginning to the maybe 2 hours. We not come on for you. The way where the matter treat her. She go come back finish for also work for night. She go enter her selling the money. Sometimes as the woman they come out, they go out, maybe they go stroll, do something. He say na so the man all the faruyen. That one are raping now. That one are raping. And the person that kind of way he come far when somebody way like they not go even remember say condom they exist. Now so this guy saying take pregnant before he know. He be they hide down. But who he want take? May not come, the belle not come. I can call madam say, sister, oh ye me ama, oh ye we am we konwe. He say no fair talk. Later I come talk say na, brother again come say now they do corner they can't do the abortion for him. But right now, up to date she's over 40, she's 42. She never still born. She say she never still born. She just dey focus to go to school, learn more, work and focus with this oyibo. But I say since now oyibo man he marry, is either they do IVF. If they're not the same dog plant am 2 times, the first one fail, the second one fail. He say the egg still dey inside fridge. They keep the egg, they never still put the egg for any they fear. So in don't do the first IVF, it not work. In don't do the second one. So they don't keep the egg inside fridge because it might not settle. So if you don't relax, they okay if you go take am. Now say if you take am, it not work. If you do surrogate, that one still easy. They go Nigeria or look for somebody, any all these Dominican, all these other people, they go pay them now big money. Some people they charge 7,000. Some people they charge 10K for surrogate. Some people they charge 15K. If you be Nigeria girl, they say, I'm telling you now, Nigeria girls they do one now, Nigeria girls they do surrogate now for people. They do one like the way Dominican they do. Now so that they do. Una you open man they say, hey, if I tell una who don't do one. Oyibo, he go marry black, they go they find pikin or Oyibo, they not want born, the woman no want make body loose. You know want make body there somehow. They go carry from the woman, carry from the man, can't just somehow. Another person go carry am from them. That one na just the woman blood wey carry the pregnancy, blood not they join the pikin. Cause na the man and the woman. If that black girl born, na pure Oyibo pikin na go born. Because the young thing not join. He na just incubator. He womb na just incubator to incubate the baby. Or to quiet Mona take let it talent. So now for her to just take the baby, put am there, may it grow, come bring and come out. Many girls now. Una no know. May I dey tell now. Igwe Ashawo not they pay. All these things not they pay. Some people they're pregnant, they not they feel am. Whether they're not that 9 months, they're not they feel and say they're pregnant. They go they work out, they do their thing. They're not they feel am. So girls they where be say Nigeria girl or Igbo man go give am 15K, 15. He go say 15,000 ya more for just 9 months. Baba na ima yam and ima BNA or ma come go born and they go be pure, but they go give am. If you go do DNA, blood not go reflect on the pikin body because he help them keep am till that 9 months. Now they'll figure. I tell her now, if you're Igbo rich well, say not be that much, but yeah. Una gather if now 7,000, go find Dominican or Nigeria woman. He go help you carry the baby, do the surrogate afterwards. He born at the girl. I record you 10,000. Yeah, women know to Africa, you know people still get African mentality. Take over ya do worry man, no cocoa buy go use them. Just a 9 months. That pikin not be on. That pikin not be on. Off the Bluetooth. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Hello, good evening. Please lower your side, my sister. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I dey follow you up. You don't understand. So most
Okay.
times I know they like my call. I know they like my call online. But
Oh.
you know what's in there? You know good make person for this life. The intimidating neighbor. I hate them.
Okay.
You understand? Many madams they don't do them. They don't go scot free because the girls no report them. Because I said girls they report them. Therefore not get document today. They work. You know.
Okay.
So we not say yes. Many people they not get person to carry them. Con yes. No. You don't say many people are they here where person go call person. So yes on the because of saying like family carry come.
I know they like that words where people they use.
They like they use now.
No go yes on I know they like them.
And not those people. Many ladies they go follow Igbo day house and now you go they pay the rent.
Forget that one.
Now you go they pay the rent. Now you go they charge your phone. Anything at all big go come. How many people there? Now only you go pay. Maybe she'll get 2-3 people for house. And he might talk like that. Now only you go pay. She'll collect the full strength for you. And you know, go that one upon it. That one past slavery.
Okay.
You understand? So this girl now she don't manage to pay you your money. So leave her alone. No go the spoiler. Because I tell you one thing, sister. Not be who first report when they win the case. So no, might tell you why. Because if that girl go open my talk, most clip she dey Italy, she get law will protect her.
Okay.
She get law will protect her if she no road. Okay. If she no road. If she no road, because this kind of thing they pay me for, but they do one free for person.
Okay. Okay.
Not free. Now just free because that girl wey be say they punish like that. You know, anti-human trafficking, anything human trafficking, e dey expire. The case no dey finish. If they die, you fit open am 10 years time.
But
What make me no open at that time? They fear. Period. I dey fear even today. Ogbalegbe no one no say Nigerians na mafia Nigeriana. Nobody no know about mafia Nigeriana.
okay, you see,
Go reach court, go reach police, go add the finance, go reach carabinieri. Nobody no know about mafia Nigeriana.
but her problem say she don't come. Her problem now.
Anyone.
Her problem now say she don't come up for there for 15 years now. And she can't go back. So anything where they that country not go come out. Okay.
This anything human trafficking they expire.
Okay.
Let me they tell you.
Okay.
They expire. Mostly if she talks and see what's happen to her here. She comes they say me she go hospital, go bring proof, come. Because even if it don't expire many years ago, she go nowhere she for do abortion now. So things what they do no good, even if you don't say, you don't understand. That woman they feel what they call in Dagari and they feel investigate her. So make she not push that girl to the wall. Because you know what's in a person we don't quiet for you since the person quiet because of respect. The girl here go reach, the person go pull up.
Now so they go now.
You understand? Because it allow they say no farivare kiso ito kiso no you more not reach where they say we can talk so you me. Because number one, if that get they follow, if they follow Igbo, if Igbo involved, even if that they get citizenship, now they are, even if 12 now be citizen, now their citizenship, now their own citizen, I don't respect. I know that talking away.
Of course,
Like,
now they are
if
citizens
so-
that they
yeah,
fair
you understand?
respect.
Now they are
Yeah.
citizen, I don't fair respect. You understand? So that girl get upper hand in any way. Make she not quit her job for any reason. Instead of her to quit her job, that woman go quit the job. And if they drive that girl, because of nothing, make she go miss CGL. Make she fight her right because they don't feel driver like that.
Okay.
They don't feel driver like that because make she report. Make she go inspectorata de lavoro. They don't feel driver like that.
So if she go
Make they
meet
drive
police
like that.
now, wait till she go come talk. Now that all those things she like waiting go how you go
Okay,
taste
if she
that
go
one
meet
because this
police.
thing don't be intimidation for her.
Okay, sis, might tell you, if she go meet police, what did she go talk? She go meet police, tell police, say the woman, she go for accuse the woman of calumnia.
Okay.
Calumnia na case. She go
Okay.
for accuse the woman of calumnia. The woman they spoil her name.
Okay.
False testimony answer. You just spoil my person, my dignity, my personality. You go pay now, carry you go court. And Lord, they Italy now. Lord, they I think she want fight case. She like trouble. Then you go show am trouble.
Okay. Thank you, my sister.
Because I know they like our Nigerians, so they oppress the other person.
It's too much.
We don't too do am, so make it stop.
Intimidation is too much.
If she go police station, she'll tell police say, if they ask her if she know the woman, she'll say yes, she know how many years ago.
Okay.
You understand? She don't talk say she don't know her. She know how many years ago.
Okay.
You understand? Make she first start like that. If she don't go report that woman for calumnia, you say that woman she'll come down. Because she don't know, you feel dead there now. Make psychologists dey with you. You don't know what you take talk. Waiting.
Waiting not supposed to talk. Mostly the way we are brain take
So
swear
she
now.
the woman go enter problem. Automatically they go believe her. Maybe her name they don't say right hands for somewhere before. She don't know.
She no go
They
know.
never see proof. Then the wait person will come. You don't understand? The wait person will come. Just come make sure her name and surname. They'll go open case again.
Okay.
I beg.
Thank you,
Make
my
She
sister.
no fear anything. Make she no quit the job. I hear my sister.
Thank
Good
you.
work.
Yeah, thank you. So you see am now, I believe this will also go across because this kind of advice not be waiting one person they talk. And if you ask me now, no, if you say go police station, hey, what about person can still advise another person may go police station for my behalf? So that is it on my case. No, I not go like so may we do one because we Africa we just dey like after 15 years wetin can happen kini kan no when the problem ya we no mu gbina okado amuezo when a problem nini mai wa ere I dey like people wey be say if something dey their head something dey work them up they no get to the one tell at least the office still confine in one person bring am out no matter what. I know say this life they know they trust everybody finish. I don't know you don't know me and stuff like this now something wey be say if you talk am out problem share na a big problem solve although they solve am finally finish but e still solve am small e go still give you direction on how to go about it. Okay, so an intimidation is too bad, it's too much. Now that intimidation, and they kill Nigeria, they go today. Intimidation is just killing our country, killing our personality. Whether as that they burn us, that they carry intimidation, they tag, follow us. Now, cause anywhere we go, we know they see white people. They don't intimidate you. They don't even. They know they look you like say, I pass you, you do something. They're black. Even on top of AliExpress cloth where we go wear, we go still they talk say we gallant pass this one, we gallant pass that one. Who in be? Waiting in day? No, let us cut it down. Let us breathe in and breathe out. Let us cut it down. Intimidation where we get is too much. It's too much. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Ménager,
Bota. Il real live video. If on speaker.
I love you.
Love you too.
I love you.
Love you too, Jay. Cause
the way I did so beautiful. You are so social. Oh, my sister, you are love.
Well, say Jay, for speaker. Oh.
You understand? You are speaker, but he may feel that when he can call you when he
so.
Because you the last.
Oh, egui.
When we are continuing, you will not fall down. You will not fall down.
Amen.
You are correct. Jesus,
amen.
I love any woman that's beautiful. I love
Thank you. Where say, Jay? Oh, see, now you have a love even the say. You understand? Two we must say, Banner, you will never find the beauty in me. Who will I may go? Say black bee. I may go now. See the yeri way even weird. Because where we must say where do I tell and we're bearing when I who we must say money man have a berry money must say me wa wuni hog me so ya wa me we wow who na must say kai me so say maybe made the mistake maybe I'm a one way only see this baby fine no. Oh maybe do I make the maybe we are now we have that to who we mawa. Even to that we no manner you know just say be safe. Me to take baby duari I wa me no de va big bonne ya gwa lo be is that get a kire mo
no mo se go ye mo se go
oh see well say get it we
continue to strengthen your life.
Amen. Well see cause
to speak in your mouth in the name of Jesus.
Amen. Well see kakabo. Okay, Mao.
You may follow our program, but I know they call you are the fourth woman in my phone.
Oh, I say, mommy, I dab.
I see you. Most of them, you not me like they will not hear you. They are dying.
As I am, me go out vati. Go out vati. Betinya dunya veria ya. I mean, diet to go no me or abdomens to a problem. Abi ko no to tere wa mo bo here. Ihoni de ba piano ne ni aye ve na ge. Lo.
But warm.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Amen. Amen. He say. On your mom, you're what many a keg walk one way like on Biaba, while not be many. In our vessel, I'm a guizia. Ima to ama ire to gwe gwa we yo ko se sip to no o me na wa na ri tale re mi ya mo
even love you even love me in a way when they may not be able they may think we I love you
no
me 16 now 16 then you fall in love with
no manivia do mose bini women fan o manivia do mose eri no se ani no bu ina mose e mori ya wa eme do yin ya ye nyaga eme do yin ya ye lugbu yin ya giare yin do je be na re kworo ne lugbu ameri alo mi jona ya fiere ne mana ya lo mi ya fiere no bu na yin mami ameri ala mi yu wa mo godoni na fiere na do mi no moseri la dia yin wo re no cause me mi nu tanu gu ma contribute your sister na Isaye.
Emata no be no wete bu na no we mu la gana e we ni gege we advice kere we ji
Okay.
Understand it? E boss there at the person abi do.
Owie do no. That is on Edo.
So the only time I wear no lao na ki egbe ya we no ma gba understand it?
Okay.
No kaka bro no get side yin.
Okay.
Okay, I mean, no take no kaya check it baby. Okay, they perfect.
Okay.
They abortion in our way, they go affect it. They go ma affect it. No more when we have salo babo.
Oh, affect only a kaya sore way a wound being has been tempered with. A wound being has been tempered with for years. Yeah.
Then when I in your affecting and improve who are on the doctor gallery, your boy improve raw. No way ogele affecting it. No understand it. Then people need area more but time to come because okona ni also challenging ene. Okona so pushing ene
Kakabo.
be o kan of the ya lwe street. No understand it. Ona ni carry we ni yange lu bi e ka bi ko street any out.
Oh, we yagari shopping na yaga ogie ke ni ya de kon ni e wa bi e do pa e boyin wa ka mi ni e do pa. Because I letter no la letter bossy banebo adotie. You understand? Eh?
The Rudani, when no one the woman here the woman who not your mouth not down, understand.
Okay.
They go now what we're not seeing one
Ezoya ya segbe a eje mebe no ipalo ma me wa maraje mana owe ezoya ya do we mi ya ezoya do ya seto ya be olandisi ni ya we ni ede even self yen be de go chain ni je vere ni we je ro ni je wune yen be de go chain ni je olandisi 7 abi unu no rin yen gele lu ede na lu se ni man se le ni we bo
we have no ban on like bobo ya wa ya madam wa asko boss wo lu so de wa gbe wa that time 2001 obobo ya wa so na wa gbe yin no ma mo gbe
ire ta me na we ma gogo we ragbon wi yen owe madan yen de babo si o owi yan ga iwa si gban ni yan ga ikoko gbin yen e wa ya ni kin wa and gban ni yan we si na wi yan be do a boyfriend ore aga yan we anything iyan e be vere ni owi yan be di moto yin agbon ye be o ma agbon ba owe my sister yin suffer eveve yen vien ni eve de gbe ade na ni eve do gba mesa na be de gbe de kun owo na everlasting slavery.
Emi ni kan yu na ni o keke no ti sin agbo egwa bi si una wo ko na do ba o re we wo pa ya hin si se family ya mezo wo to because the family ya
ojoji yen ra eri yen ra ojoji ande ave mani yen be wina lele nene edo okpa bo yen ma wen ave bo win yen ka ma ve dede yen ma wo wori emi lost eri nene mi wi te ti yen iri fun ya calling ya wo ma ve yen ira wa de a wa emi ere mi wi de a o eni na do wages is true wan ave bo so un dan yan so when you have a time na woman ni eri we journey here many places na we ni eri jo na ye we na me we yen wina so yen we feeling we are the sakin yen
pa ni me dey we matter na my sister e matter what normally they have whatever you want to do let truth be the first thing for you to stand for e matter no when this is what the religion and what the you know open a life is struggle my boy open a life is struggle my boy
okay
understand me okay understand because I made the nezo ara made the igbina me no mu dia na everybody
yes that's true
the truth to for nu yen ya time to come me no go na ya ladia because abi go done they don't care ya feel one say ya ma care we saru we understand the this so hani de wani de o kana na de me no ya see the government because don't want to make no more vice they also have to take
yeah we have here what time away when just tire my sister
everybody man on me mad they man on me mad if you ever tell they talk they do it that is this understand it there every night I don't know pursue as a get if anybody I confuse them no take no case when the matter because imagine
okay
cause emi na no gbera data ore you no ri amu a
okay
And you know, I go free. Let me free. Give me my freedom to move in the wherever I go. Understand it? Then, what is that? Where I talk while you have what do you have where I talk no senior? Oh, no, freedom, life for the they don't be a little, we don't be more.
Why he wa banda lose ji? O ma no wa be pay for fe.
When my so roba go now, do we no pay like no pay no maybe no here, my no any euro. My woman here like and then you have madam Danny. Say yeah, a tin Danny near Loni. So my year young and for the one. Understand it?
Wa no je. Wa no.
Person me wa me na do odoni ni e o me na go agele on be gbese wodo wa o ni ebi omo no opiani o temata ma piani then a man ebo no ebo in the right thing to do ebo ya we na ya ebo mana ni dezo e kan we zo wezo the next we no ya mo wa go e ibo ni kan imu de ani e o understand it e pe ta wa bi taba we ni ya gwa le ni ya we he no mo anare ni ya we na we o ya gi uta
wo ya wa we so wa ro yan we so rogate yan money no mo ma be o wa gun yan mo money je ko yan wa i go a problem na i go mana a problem 5,000 ye Dominican e sa gin we e he go we yan ga di he go we yan so far ne man ye tin abiele e man na ga ti abiele man na dey fighter enough ore man ya yan ri e kere wo we yan yi we kugbe no ga ifon mi ne ya mo ye ko bi Dominican e ko bi we ti do am mo ye ko ya la dian ti ya do mo ni Valley Express e mi e ko ni udo nu o ike le ke ko legbe wa de color wo mo yo wa mo la dian e ga ne ga ni wa we surrogate ni ya bi e pion we do mo no mo boy bi e o be wa mo we mareva
so no we money tag we ro igbe no wa tema ta we no fail na awe fail na what try
the doctor will tell if you know you can afford it it's 10,000 euro can you always when I 20,000 ya ji go poja no rio me go a problem always no
la on advice ni oni men na Heavenly Father will make a way for her when there is no way. Amen. Or we make a way now when there is no way. You can only like peace of mind. Also, about it directed. We need Jesus Christ.
I will say, oh, thank you very much, my people. Thank you. I get one person where they talk the English. Now, Ibo, you know, Sabi, you say thank you, Melly much. Thank you so much. So that is it so far so good. If you know say you still get much more advice where you want give this sister, you feel play and record and can't give me because this issue I just come and talk and it looks so but the person where the matter dey body is heavy. You understand? You the carry you come from Nigeria, me you can't pay for your green pasture. At the end of the day, it's very bad. It's very bad. Hello, good evening. Hello? Low your side though, hello? Hello? So I know intimidation wala just stop within stop anyway. But at least imani do we me man you no gata we. All the whole country make una not give Nigeria money again. All the I know want mumu like that madam mumu. How you dey shout and say all the whole country make they not give Nigeria money again. So intimidation stop, but let's try because the country must give Nigeria money because the Nigeria citizens are the collateral. So long that there is still human being in that Nigeria court country, they must still give the loan. Even if Chinese give them, this one give them, Taiwan give them. If they still go any country tomorrow upon all the debt, upon all the suffering, when Nigeria still there right now, they go still give the loan because they know that so long that they are citizens in that country, so long that that country is existing, so long that anything they operate there, that country they go still give am loan. Now the cities the head, now they be the collateral. They no say any they go work am. If worse comes to worse, all of them come bring their company come the country. Come they use their cities in work am. I pay any of those. They only give them food to chop. They don't use them work am. They cannot in Nigeria. Oh God, may we never go back to that slave trade time. All the politicians, all of them want use the cities in do collateral. They want use them do slave trade. After everything they go wrong. I don't hear Aisha, a old first lady of Nigeria, gang, ere Nigeria. A old first lady, more than 3 years now, ere Nigeria, he did Dubai. He get house, get everything. The first lady no care no rowa. Abi jowa no care no rowa. Ere Nigeria for more than his children not even there. So what are we not saying? Now the citizen and Abuari go meet China and give them money. So I know I be like that man where they talk say, Mona not give Nigeria money, don't borrow Nigeria. That is stupid talk. It doesn't not make sense. They go still give. So that is it. Let's minimize our intimidation. Our intimidation today too much. On my live video, go reach the bed where you like down put. He bed the man where it door. When you go here door, he motor me. When you go nothing. And if you look at that cannot be you. The woman where get the car, he come meet the woman meet the car. Property will not be you. He go just come the claim. I'll just sit down, fold my head, they look say So let's stop intimidation and let's stop helping each other. Let's be each other's keeper, like helping each other in one way or the other. Let's be our brother's keeper. I am begging everybody, sow a good seed right now so that it can germinate well. So that if you jam your madam tomorrow, you jam the girl where you carry come tomorrow, you not too not go get problem. And if you be that madam where get bad heart, if now you be that madam where you come across my video, anytime you come across my video, this matter now wait till they happen for your lap, for your akara. La wo kierevo, let the girl breathe. Let her breathe. And she even swear. Say if I say make her lie for their head, or mama man on me ko work man on me ko. She even swear on top of the matter. So I beg wagi agbere yin wo. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. God bless you. The phone is on speaker, and please, I'm on live stream.
Okay, but can I speak?
Yes, okay. It's on speaker, ma.
I have to contribute for this matter.
Of course, oh, of course. You are highly welcome, ma.
Okay.
Okay, where say J? Ma wa mi nota. Eyan je bota.
Life now. If no would be or require if no would be.
Okay.
I am sorry to say. The thing today, everybody not to be a Christian. But our Christianity is not practical.
Not theory. Of course, we get some. I put it into practice.
So now,
a networky well.
Oh, sorry. One year.
Okay.
On we move for how many years? Then who are the ghosts? No, I can now win and we are condemned. Let me tell you that thing, it can kill easily. You understand it? And you know, it's the one so she said the woman, not damaging life. The fact is that a lady now not sincere to herself. Let her open up to her husband. I am sorry to say.
Okay.
Okay. But the fact is that whether woman it does not really matter.
Okay.
It can only happiness. It all matter in life.
Yeah.
I don't understand it. Or if you are sincere, or when you marry to any Togolese, anybody, you will be sincere.
Of course.
When not they sincere to the husband, then at the end of the day, let them go and report that woman. Because it's a hard time,
okay, Mama, sorry for cutting you. We're supporting, no, you reported the woman.
Oh, I support 100%. I support.
Okay.
I support it. Because Omana support, that woman will continue doing that thing. I tell you. Because
Oye na repressing, intimidating. Wakaka emana gwa we, egwi be gwa kwa
which it can never be possible. Almost possible. Oma wa roto to wear for life. Almost possible with the only.
Okay.
When you open up to other for him, or open up to the husband, not time other for the truth. When you are live on let me tell you, if you are not love any man that love you. Imagine defect in other way, but my past your life, past life is your past life. A president or matter. You understand better?
Of course.
If that woman really wants to deal with her life at the end of the day, not make good result. Let her put the past behind, not follow the present.
Okay.
Let her follow the process, not only the process. Of the first
Okay.
Then after that, when on your outside, at the end of the day, that man, I tell you, he will never abandon her. All will lead to the end. That woman will pay for it and he will suffer it. For what reason?
Okay.
The 2021.
Okay. Only 2021. Oppression if you go on.
Operation they are go for what reason? They can win.
May God help our people.
They can now win and I worked there for 22 years.
Okay.
For 22 years. But because of the character of we Nigerians, at the end of the day, I tell you sometimes what I pass through. You cannot believe me.
Beggy.
But in like those cases, I can handle it because I know where, like, I don't know those Burkina Faso, those French countries. That is, I know what to do. But it's not unlike somebody maybe where you are
Ubere na ben we yata na we jamave emane kuiba de minia wo pisi we. Imagine who go that be jama na no mu weke.
But they are using it to trick people today. At the end of the day, even sometimes they don't even take Nigerians for the work anymore because of our character.
Okay.
After you go to where somebody walk up the aka with your one for what reason? You only win on in there. You only win on in there.
Nia, aga man na gwa be walk by why.
Also take our life into our hands and let us deliver ourselves from that woman hand.
Okay.
Because anyway, the devil, because something you don't see when people are casting their kabua, we know your matters now.
And that madam na yaje church say o. Ave madam na yaje church say.
What are we saying? I don't normally call a video or live video. This is my first time anyway. But I'm really sorry. I sound like an arrogant, but all the time.
No. Ove no yaje we no je arrogant ye de ije arrogance viri ma. Cause you Wesley, thank you so much. Wesley, arrogance not they just the thing they boil everybody. The way when me tell you, I just say my take and soft like and do up top, you know. I just want pinch and maybe we see how we'll take happen. Because ne name even I don't know, maybe he tell you he both say he never first stayed that country before. It's possible say he tell the man say he never first stayed there before. Then now you can't tell and say now then he follow con the madam. The matter guy today. Hello, good evening. Wow, good evening.
My sweet sister, my beautiful sister.
It has been a while. I'm fine. Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah, I said let me contribute to what you were saying.
Thank you. The phone is on speaker, please. Hope you don't mind.
Yes, I know. Okay. It's for people to listen and the person that has the issue in question. So you can hear our advice. That's why you have to be in speaker.
Yeah, thank you.
You're not the one we're talking to, but we're talking to the person in that.
Thank you for your understanding. Okay? Thank you so much.
Right now, I want to give my advice to the lady in question, the woman in question.
Okay.
See, there is nothing to be afraid of.
Okay.
The woman, you see, when somebody is wicked. I want to speak in a layman language.
Okay.
I don't want a situation that I will not speak BB grammar and they will say they don't understand what I'm trying to say.
Me too, I go follow them who don't understand. Or you break it down for us.
It's all right. You see, the woman in question, I was told that those women that normally bring those ladies from Nigeria, or they call them madam and thereabouts, they are so mean and wicked.
Some.
That has been part of them. Before you can see 100, before you can see out of 100, hardly you can see 10 that is good. I'm telling you the gospel.
That's true. That's true.
You see, those women have mafias they are working with. that lady has to be very, very careful.
Okay.
If you can do what you did to that lady for the past 15 years, and you didn't even think of what you did when you aborted for her, and now you can still have that mind, wants to frustrate, intimidating her.
Okay.
You see, the woman has to be put in check. Let that lady not because of that woman quit her job.
Okay.
You see, sometimes we are so weak in times of if we need to fight, we will not fight.
The woman is just
we don't
crying
want
for
problem.
nothing. Always cry. Say this one not what I say. You can never understand.
Let her go and report that woman.
Okay.
Let her go and report that woman. That woman will know, and that woman will have to take overtaking. Anything happen to her, she will be held responsible.
Okay.
Because the woman knew that immediately that lady reported her, she's in a problem already.
Okay.
Because there must be it's intimidating her, and the lady now wants to get herself out of that issue, that problem in question. Now he has to go and report that woman. He will put that woman in check. By the time she report that woman, he will put that woman in check, and that's the gospel truth.
Okay.
Let
Thank
her
you.
not say as if he wants to fight the woman now. He wants to put that woman in check right now.
Okay.
Now he wants to report that woman for that woman to know that look, I want to reporting you, meaning that just leave me alone. I don't want any problem with you anymore again. You have been a pain in my neck. Right now, you are intimidating me, and I cannot stand it anymore again.
Voila.
I can't, because of you, run away from where I'm staying, and this is where I'm staying with my husband,
Okay.
and I'm working. So you put, by reporting
Like,
the woman, is
the
putting the woman in
boldness.
check. Not that you want problem from that woman. He wants a woman to know one thing, that I can't just run away from you.
Okay.
You are a pain in my neck right now, then I have to put you in check. I have to put you where you belong. Not that I want to
He
make
said, "May you
problem
put
with
her for check. Put her for khaki. Join her. Check. Too small. Put her for khaki. Not be check you talk. Thank
Yes.
you. May put her for khaki. Thank you, ma. Put her in check. Put her in check. Check it. That check many. Me, I have khaki. Put her for khaki. You don't too much. Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma.
It's better, no problem.
Thank
Just
you.
tell
God
her
bless
that.
you. I've tell her. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'm going to help the girl also. When I call her today, I say, one woman say, put her in check. He go say, which one be? I say, khaki. Put her. Make the thing strong. Thank you, everyone. God bless you so much. I don't want to take much of your time. Let me quickly play our music. They say may I not go waste my time for another person talk to take do music. May I suffer use this one. So let us play it as we round up our program. God bless you all.
Problem shared is a problem solved, though. It's a
Problem
solved. Bring that matter, so make me know. It's a problem solved. Maybe a problem shared is a problem solved, though. The problem solved. Why not bring that massive, so make me talk, oh yeah. Oh yeah, get you. Oh yeah, get you. Bring that matter, me
Oh, hey. Kecho.
ODL Kid Show. Talk it here, anonymous. Call it, express your problems, and the audience will advise you on how to go about it. Join us on YouTube at Kate Kitchen and more. Like and share.
Follow me on my YouTube, Kate Kitchen and more. Make una follow me on YouTube. I dey beg una, na you dey follow me for YouTube. Yeah, we. Kate Kitchen and more. Wallahi, baby.
She be a problem share.
It's a problem solve, oh, problem solve.
Bring that matasi be so
Make we know.
She be a problem share.
It's a problem solve, oh.
Why not bring that massive be so
Make we talk, oh. ODL, ODL.
Bring that matampuano.
Oh, yeah, oh, eh. Oh, child.
ODL Kid Show. Talk
Oh,
is here,
yeah.
anonymous. Call in, express your problems, and the audience will advise you on how to go about it. Join us on YouTube at Kate Kitchen and more.
Kate
Like
Kitchen
share
and more.
as you dey
Like
enjoy
and
the show
share.
dey Go. ODL Kid Show. We all need each other. Come, let's solve it together.
Thank you, guys. We all need each other. Come, let's solve it together. That is our logo. We need each other. Come, let's solve it together. ODLK Show. Join me on my YouTube, Kate Kitchen and more. God bless you. Love you and bye-bye.